welcome back to my channel. So today is a get unready with me. I wanted to film a video of showing you guys the products I use when I take off my makeup at the end of the day. And as you can see, my face gets pretty dewy if I don't touch up my makeup throughout the day. I decided to, get unready with you guys and you guys can see the products that I use. So first things first, I'm going to drink a little bit of sparkling water. I don't know, Bell V Lime Sparkling Water. I get this at Aldi. It is one of my favorites. I get the lime, the grapefruit. Those are the ones that I've tried so far. Oh, and don't mind my hair. I just throw it up in a bun and, get down to business. So it's a little nappy, whatever. So good. Before you go to bed, make sure you stay hydrated and drink a lot of water. So after my sparkling water, before I go to bed, I'm gonna take my vitamins and drink some water to stay hydrated. It will help your skin. First things first, I like to take off my makeup with coconut oil. You can use any makeup remover or makeup remover wipes. These are the ones that I use from the 99-cent store. You guys do not need to spend so much money on makeup wipes. I don't understand, or I don't get it. I don't get it when people spend like between $4 to $7 on makeup wipes. Like, to me, it just doesn't make sense and it's a lot of waste of money to me. What I do is I get this one. They're clarifying towelettes. It comes with 25 and they are $1 from the 99-cent store. Make sure if you want to try them out, get these, because the other brand, like the wipes themselves, are too cheapy, and these are decent for what you're going to use them for. You're basically just going to use them to take off your makeup. So for me, it doesn't make sense to spend so much money on that. So what I do to compensate is I grab a little bit of coconut oil. I have it in this jar. This is not a coconut oil jar, but it was a moisturizing jar. I saved it and now I use it to put coconut oil, and because it's hot, it's very liquidy. So I have to be very careful. So I'm just gonna grab a little bit. Oh, and then do you guys like my little shovel? How cute is this? It's my shovel spoon and it's lime green at the top. I'm just gonna grab some in my hand and I'm basically going to do this just to remove and loosen up all that makeup. So it's gonna look like a hot mess right now. So this is what I do. Coconut oil or any makeup remover you have, that's what you use. So basically I just use this to remove all the extra makeup, as you can see. So that's why to me it doesn't make sense to spend so much money on a packet when you go through so many. It's like you literally buy one every month if you do your makeup every day, because you use one every. I see a lot of people sometimes use between 2 to 3 wipes in one, in one day. And that's just like so much waste of money. You literally, if you do the coconut oil or an oil makeup remover, those work the best because they loosen up all of your makeup. And then with the wipe, you literally just want to make sure all of that gunk is out of your face. So then you can start, cleansing your face. Because I don't know, I don't like when you go like, I have a Clarisonic. I don't like, so I know some people just put like the cleanser on the Clarisonic and they go in with their makeup on. I feel like then I have to do the Clarisonic twice. Like go with it first to get rid of all that makeup, clean the brush, and then go in to make sure that, you're going back in with a clean kind of face without the makeup. So I feel like it's more work as opposed to doing the coconut oil, taking all that gunk off with the wipe, and then going in with the Clarisonic brush with the cleanser. You're cleaning your face. It's already got rid of all the gunk. The cleanser that I'm going to use today is the Aloe Facial Cleansing Foam. Look how cute the packaging is. It looks like an aloe vera and it's lime green, one of my favorite colors. And then I'm going in with my Clarisonic. So I basically wet the brush a little bit and then I put, this one gets really foamy. So I literally put a little bit like that. because this one gets really foamy and then I go in. I don't like to wet the brush too much because then you're gonna get water all over. And I'm not doing it over the sink so you guys can see what I'm doing. If my brush was more wet, I would be making a huge hot mess on myself right now, getting all the water on my robe. You want to make sure you go over the lips as well, so that way any makeup from the lipstick is gone. I'm gonna go in with this Yes To Cucumber Soothing Calming Micellar Cleansing Water. This is what it looks like. I really like this one because it's really easy to use. Because of this, you basically just go like 1, 2. Sorry, I did the first one too fast, so it kind of went all over the place, but it's nice because this sits in this reservoir right here, so it doesn't make a mess. But because I did it too fast, it did make a mess. And I just go in with this cotton pad, and what this does, it basically takes off any excess makeup that you have in your face. And what I like about micellar water, it don't give you like that harsh tingly feeling that is stripping all the natural oils from your face. It's a very gentle toner, which is why it's one of my favorites. It's not stripping away any natural oil from your face, and it just feels really gentle. So then I go on with this, the Body Shop Pomegranate Firming Serum, and I put a serum, and then I do put it under my eye. And when you're putting, you know, eye cream, you want to basically just dab, 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 dab. You never want to pull because you're going to get wrinkles over time. So you want to basically just be very gentle and dab, 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 dab. I'm gonna put your serum on your face. And you guys remember, your neck, always bring down your products to your neck, and you always want to go up. You guys know I'm extra, so I have a little fan, and this is cool because it has a mirror, and then you could put water right there, but I'm not using that right now. You guys, I'm extra. You guys already know this. Now that the serum is a little bit dry, then you want to go in with a moisturizer. The one that I'm using today is by Skin Dimitri James, and this is an Enlightened Radiance Enriched Skin Tone Correcting and Brightening Cream. So this is what it looks like. Any moisturizer that comes in this style of, it's one of my favorites. You just literally go like this, and that's all you need. You don't need to put any more. So it gives you just the amount you need. It's very easy. I love it. I did get another moisturizer on Amazon that's a little bit similar, and it's one of my favorites. I will link it down below. So after I put my moisturizer, I like to go in with a facial oil. The one that I'm using today is by Pearlescence. It's the Rosehip Plus Vitamin C oil, and this is for balancing. And I like that it has this little, you know, dropper on my hand. And then I just press the oil on my skin. I too always add a little bit of facial oil or moisturizer to my décolleté, because you want to make sure that always stays moisturized as well. You always want to bring down your products. You want to moisturize your skin, make sure everything's taken care of. After the facial oil, what I like to use is a lip balm. So the one that I'm using today is by Skin Dimitri James. This Lip 6 Times Balm. Look at this. That's what it's called. And this is what it looks like. It has a little mirror. You guys, this lip balm, oh my god, is so bomb. This is what it looks like. Of course I like it because it's green, but it's so bomb. I love to use this only for night because it's so moisturizing. It's like a thick balm, and it's minty, so it's like thick, you know. So I like to go in with that. That one I keep by my nightstand because I put it on every single night. Next, I'm going in with this Pearlescence Rosewater Vinegar Balancing Face Mist. And of course, you guys already know. Okay, of course, my face still looks a little bit oily because of the facial oil, but the face mist did dry up. Now, what we're gonna be doing is my face and my neck and everything's taken care of. But you guys, please, please, please moisturize your hands before you go to bed. I know it sounds like nothing major, but when you get older, you can use Botox, you can go get face surgery, you can do all kinds of shit. But when it comes to your hands, them shits get wrinkly and your face might look young, but as soon as somebody looks at your hands, game over. So please moisturize your hands at night. It's going to help in the long run. And it's something that you have to make a habit, because I never used to moisturize my hands, and now I can feel it at night before I go to bed. Or if I'm in bed and I didn't moisturize my hands, it feels weird, like I have to do it. So the one that I'm using is Herbal Serenity Aromatherapy Show of Hands. This is an overnight hand treatment. Oh my god, this is one of my favorites. I'm not sure if they still sell it because it's by Beauty Control. And my mom used to sell it, but I think they sold the business or they closed it down or something. But I still have this product and it is the best. It's freaking thick. So you literally only need a little bit. Like, I'm telling you guys. Like that. So it's gonna last you a long time. And then if you want, you can add like 2 or 3 drips of your facial oil. And oh my god, your hands are going to be so moisturized and just feeling bomb. I'm telling you guys, please moisturize your hands, because your face and everything else you can fix as you get older and have surgeries, but your hands is something that you can't not alter when it comes to wrinkles and them looking so ugly, you know. So look at this. Like, come on. You guys, please moisturize your hands at night. Please, please, please. If you take anything away from this video, is moisturize your hands at night. Please do it. You're gonna thank me in the long run, and it's a nighttime routine for me that is a must. So I hope you guys include that in your nighttime routine and add that to your nighttime routine, because it's gonna make a world of a difference. I really, really preach on that. So please do it. And if you guys do it and you guys end up including it in your nighttime routine, definitely comment down below. Please also by Beauty Control, this is City Garden Silk Body Mist. It's a perfume. Oh my god, I love this. Look, I only have a little bit left. So what I do is I usually spray some here. It smells so good and it leaves your skin just doughy, you know, you feel me? Because when I go to bed, I want to smell good. I want to be all moisturized and everything. You guys already know, moisturized, ready to go, and just smooth. And you know, your partner is gonna thank you later on, like, damn girl, you be taking care of your face, your skin, your body. Yes, you need to take care of your body while you're young and incorporate these habits, so that way when you get older, you don't have to worry about wrinkles as much, because you started already taking care of your skin in the early stages. Once you get older and get wrinkles, there's only so much you can do, because they're already there. You can kind of like, you know, you can kind of like soften them a little bit, but they're not going to completely go to waste. So if you can prevent it, the earlier the better. So please, if you guys put makeup, or if you don't, please, you know, invest in skincare, because that is one of the things that is going to help you in the long run. I know a lot of people don't wear makeup and they think, oh, I don't have to take care of my skin. But you actually have to take care of your skin even more, because people that wear makeup, they have that thin layer of makeup on their skin. So their skin is not exposed to the dirty air that gets into your pores. So you really have to take care of your skin. Cleanse your skin, moisturize it, use a lot of, you know, these products. And you can slowly start. I know if you guys don't have these products, go to TJ Maxx. I go to TJ Maxx and I pick up whatever I can afford, whatever. I always like to try new stuff, and TJ Maxx, Marshalls. TJ Maxx and Marshalls are one of my favorite stores because you get a lot of variety and a lot of the stuff is very affordable. Even higher end stuff you can find cheaper. So definitely try out different products and, you know, buy stuff as you can. I know it's expensive when you try to buy everything all at once. So first, you know, buy a cleanser, then get a toner, and then, you know, invest in a moisturizer and then serums, and just slowly start building your kit, because you guys need it. If you guys don't invest in makeup, or makeup is too expensive, invest in skincare, please. And if you guys have holy grail products that you guys like, definitely comment down below, or let me know if you guys use any of the products that I mentioned, or any products that you guys like that you guys think that I might like. Definitely comment down below as well. I will show you guys a little bit of my products. I do like to have a variety because sometimes my skin needs hydration. Some other days it's balancing. Some other days it's rejuvenating. Sometimes I need more vitamin C than other days. I mean, your skin changes every single day. So I like to have different products that cater to that. My skin will be more dry than other days, so I like to, you know, help with that in that area. So I like to have a variety of different products. So I'll show you guys, but definitely, like I said, slowly invest and buy whatever you can at the time. I did not buy all of these products all at once. It was whenever I needed it, or I found things, I slowly built up my kit. This was my get on Unready with me video. These are just some of the stuff that I use, so just wanted to show you guys real quick. My favorite oils. There's so many more that I want to buy, but I slowly buy new ones every time I go. I did invest in these products here and there. It wasn't all at once, so I slowly like to incorporate new tools and products to my routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye. Cheers.